Wednesday, January 10, 2024. Focus. Samuel said, "Speak, for your servant hears." Samuel listened patiently for God's voice and then responded. He became a great prophet and mediator between God and his people. Knowing how to listen is an immense grace. It is a gift which we need to ask for and then make every effort to practice. Pope Francis. We too need to seek this grace. Silence during prayer time can be confusing due to numerous thoughts churning in our minds. But listening to God is simple. We need only to sit quietly and then deliberately surrender all our thoughts to His loving and merciful presence. I try it every day and it works. Eli was Samuel's spiritual director and helped him recognize God's voice and respond it. Finding one for ourselves would help. Listening to others is also important. People have mentioned that when I listened to them, it helped lighten their burden, even though I did not offer advice or solve anything. Empathy while listening and a compassionate attitude helps a lot and can even bring healing. After waiting patiently for the Lord to speak to us, we could, like David in today's psalm, respond, "Behold, I have come. I delight to do your will." God wants only our open ear and obedient heart, not our burnt offerings. Fruit. Despite the disruptions and distractions of daily life, I will listen to God and delight in His word.